I'm trying to replace Keka with some other HRMS application.
পার্সোনাল ভবন এসেছি, জুট কর্পোরেশন অফ ইন্ডিয়ার হেডকোয়ার্টার এটা। এখানে এন্ট্রি করা হচ্ছে, আমার টিম দাঁড়িয়ে আছে।
Hi, good morning friends. Today is 21st November and as I said yesterday, we have a meeting today with a new client. তো আজকে আমি আপনাকে গিয়ে দেখাবো কোন কাস্টমারের কাছে যাচ্ছি আর কী কথাবার্তা হচ্ছে। এটা আজকে কিক অফ মিটিং আছে এই প্রজেক্টের। খুব বড় কাস্টমার আর খুব ভালো কাস্টমার। আমাদের প্রথম কাজ হচ্ছে এনাদের সঙ্গে। তো এই মিটিংটা 11টায় আছে, এখন 10:30 বেজে গেছে অলরেডি। তো আমাদের তাড়াতাড়ি বেরোতে হবে। আর বিকেলে দেখাবো আজকে কী কী প্রিপারেশন নিলাম। তো এখন আমরা যাই কাস্টমারের কাছে, ওইখানে গিয়েও দেখাবো কাস্টমারের সঙ্গে কী কথাবার্তা হচ্ছে আর কী কী হলো।
আমরা এখন পার্সোনাল ভবন এসেছি, জুট কর্পোরেশন অফ ইন্ডিয়ার হেডকোয়ার্টার এটা, অল ওভার ইন্ডিয়ার হেডকোয়ার্টার। এটা মিনিস্ট্রি অফ টেক্সটাইলসের আন্ডারে। আর এইখানেই আমাদের প্রজেক্ট চলছে, নতুন প্রজেক্ট। আজকে কিক অফ মিটিং। প্রজেক্টটা 5 ইয়ার্সের প্রজেক্ট, যেখানে আমাদেরকে এদেরকে ওয়েবসাইট, মোবাইল অ্যাপ, ইআরপি ইন্টিগ্রেশন এগুলো সব করে দিতে হবে। তো আমার টিমও পুরো এসছে, ওরা সব ভিতরে চলে গেছে। আমি কার পার্কিং করে এলাম। আজকে আমার যেহেতু সারথি আসেনি, এখন ভিতরে গিয়ে নাম লেখাতে হবে বিল্ডিংটা পার্সোনাল ভবনের। এখন যাই ভিতরে গিয়ে দেখি কী হচ্ছে, আবার জানাবো। এটা মেন রিসেপশন, এখানে এন্ট্রি করা হচ্ছে, আমার টিম দাঁড়িয়ে আছে। এটা অফিসটা। এখন যাব আমরা কোন ফ্লোরে যাব? 3rd ফ্লোরে যাব। 3rd ফ্লোরে গিয়ে তারপরে মিটিং স্টার্ট হবে। আমরা সব পৌঁছে গেছি এখন এখানে। আর হচ্ছে মৃন্ময়, সৈকত, সোমপ্রকাশ, পান্নিকা মিটিং রুমে এখন ওয়েট করছি। ক্লায়েন্ট আসবে, তারপরে মিটিং স্টার্ট হবে। মিটিং এখন কমপ্লিট হলো। ইট ওয়াজ এ লং মিটিং। আর ক্লায়েন্টের সঙ্গে, ডিফারেন্ট স্টেক হোল্ডারের সঙ্গে দেখা হলো, কথা হলো। প্রজেক্ট কিক অফ মিটিংয়ে অনেক সময় অনেক এক্সপেকটেশনস থাকে ক্লায়েন্টের, যেগুলো ডিফাইন থাকে না আগে রিকোয়ারমেন্টে, এখন ওরা ডিফাইন করে। ওই সব নিয়ে কথাবার্তা হলো। এখন গিয়ে প্রজেক্ট প্ল্যান আর বাকি ডকুমেন্টস সব পাঠাবো।
You can see it is the demo URL. Instead
So,
of that, with your organization
I'm
name,
trying to
a URL will
replace
be generated.
Keka
Two types of portal will be
with
there.
some
One
other
would be for
HRMS
admin, another
application.
would be for employee.
I'm looking to
Every
create
employee gets their
HR.
own employee self-service
So
portal,
they are
as
giving
well as
this
mobile app, which they
demo
can use
right
on
now.
their smartphone. It can be Android or iOS.
That is what
I've
I
logged in
want.
with the admin portal. The first module here is the employees database management. So after you decide to go ahead with us, we will be collecting your existing employee details and our team will be migrating that data here. So in this employee directory, you can see your existing employee details. Further, when any new candidate will be selected, what you can do is fill the basic details only of the employee, then send a link to them. They can fill out rest of the details on their own. They can upload their documents as well, and you just need to verify it. After your verification only, it gets captured in the system and a profile is generated for every employee. Suppose I'll select an employee here. So their photo capturing option is also available. You can capture their personal information, joining details, their position details, personal document details, educational qualification, address, all these things. Along with their background detail, if PA, PSI is applicable, family details of employees, previous employment, insurance, combination, and documents as well.
Sorry to interrupt, Shubham.
Yes,
In the exit interview, do you have a form which is being sent to the employee for capturing their details?
Yes, that form can also be configured sir, after taking your data from you basically.
Sorry, after taking the?
After taking the data, like what things needs to be kept in the form, so that can be configured.
So So that form goes to the employee and employee can fill up
Right.
the feedback form, right?
Yes, the whole excellent workflow is there, like taking clearance from different departments, from IT, from finance. The clearance process is there. You will also get your onboarding. The function comes out, that data will be captured here directly. Just that those biometrics should be connected to a local system with which GreytHR gets integrated. Second option is through mobile app types will be created like earned leave, casual leave, sick leave, and allotment of these leaves as a balance will be happening automatically to employees month per month. Now coming on to payroll, so this is the payroll dashboard. From here you can see what's the total employee strength, if any new additional subtraction done in this month. And from here you can process the payroll of employees as per your salary structure. So salary structure of employees, that is also highly configurable in GreytHR. Whatever salary heads and salary components you will be having, like it can be basic, HRA, any type of allowances, some benefit like bonus, incentives. So these components will be created. If your salary structure is as per formula, that can also be configured. Like 50% of citizens the basic, 40% of basic is HRA. It can be done in that way.
Can you do a salary structure in front of me right now? I was facing a problem over there. I was using your system. Can you create a salary structure? Just have a component called as director's remuneration and deduct 10% from that. That will be written on the payslip. Can you create this structure?
Deduct 10% as in, sir?
10% TDS from the remuneration.
Okay. Basically, yeah, I can add component from here. Suppose
So none of these components will be there, only director's remuneration on the earning side and on the deduction 10% TDS.
yeah, that's what I was saying is like, this component you can add here. So this structure that is configured actually from the implementation team. They actually do this configuration in the payroll structure. So
No,
that's what basically,
I was trying from the masters, I couldn't do it. So I'm asking, is it possible?
that's what from my end I cannot do it from here because I also have to check from the implementation team how this structure needs to be configured. Because they only do this. Like I can show you like to create the component that can be done from here itself from the front end, but the TDS part, the deduction part, that needs to be configured.
No, you are not understanding me. You
Yes,
didn't
yes.
understand me actually. Let me see where is my GreytHR. Do you know what is the domain that I am using for this GreytHR? I just recently
No, sir.
logged into that, no?
You may have, sir, like.
Oh, you don't have that access?
No.
Give me 1 second. I could, because those are very important. My directors are being paid in directors' remuneration and TDS is deducted. So now if suddenly there is a change in the structure, they may be quite unhappy with that. You got it?
No, I understand, sir. I understand these things will be configured. That I am pretty sure about. Like this thing, this 10% deduction part from this component you are saying, right? Every month it will be deducted 10% from this component. Or am I missing something, sir?
Yes, you are missing something. Let me show you. Can I share my screen once?
Yeah, sure.
So are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Just 1 second. So this is my admin part, right? Okay. Where to payroll? Here is the payroll. I think structure is created here only, right? I was creating the structure. Where do I create the structure from?
That's what, sir. Like the structure generally it is prepared by the implementation team. I also I have no idea about like from where this structure can be created from here, from the front end.
Actually, it was not happening. What is happening in Keka, I'll tell you. What exactly we are looking for. So, please let me know if you have this feature as well. Just give me 1 second, please.
Yeah.
I forgot actually. I have not been configured it quite a long time. So Arkit is one of my director. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So his salary is being paid to his bank account. Pay. And this is a salary slip. See, remuneration, his amount, total amount, income tax deduction, the deduction. But in your case, I was unable to create this structure itself, because what is happening when I am creating this remuneration, it is by default it is taking basic. Basic was one of the component which I couldn't remove. So I need to confirm whether that can be removed. I don't need anything called as basic.
Okay. Okay.
Because this structure is director salary, no? So director salary
Yes.
goes as a remuneration, not as a.
I understand.
Okay.
So, what I do, sir, like, I'll check with this one, with the team once. I'll have a word with the team once. Like, if this can be renamed, like, what I understood is like you don't want this basic component. It will be remuneration.
Yeah, in your case, it was basic is a fixed component
Right.
in all the structures.
Right. I understand.
Okay.
So, what I do, I'll still check. Most probably it can be done. It's just these components which I have shown now, that is by default it is created here.
Okay.
This is a demo upload. So by default, these components is
Sure.
created here.
Sure,
So
sure.
as per your requirement, we can create the components, whatever will be required.
Sure. Okay, go ahead.
Similarly, the deduction component also, like PA, PSI, P-tax, whatever is applicable, this gets calculated. Income tax, TDS deduction as per board regulation. Income tax deduction can also be done. Even we have given provision to employees for whoever it is applicable. Employees can plan their tax and submit the IT declaration to you.
Okay.
Even proof of investment they can upload and submit it to you. We also have known an advance workflow. If you provide advance to your employees, you can maintain what's the amount given, how many installment there will be, and this deduction will happen automatically month on month from their salary. It will also reflect in their payslip with your logo. It gets generated.
Okay.
Salary payout or stock salary.
No, but if I want to upload through bank CMS?
Through net banking, right?
Yes.
Yes, so that file, as per the format, we can configure it. If you are sending or you might upload it in net banking, the file format can be configured. You just need to download it and.
But then I have to come to you for that configuration.
No. You can do it. We
Oh.
will configure it. First time it will be configured. Then month on month you can download it. Yes.
So I am having two banks in which I disburse the salary. One is Indus Bank, another is ICICI Bank. So we will configure both, and will that be chargeable?
Yes. No. This is not chargeable. This is included, sir. Already in the plan. We can configure it. You just need to download it. You have to select the bank for which bank, and two groups will be created basically for the employees. Which employee will be paid through IndusInd and which through ICICI. You just need to select the bank, select the group of employees, and generate every month. So whoever is leaving their final settlement.
No, I understand. I am worried on that part. You said bank transfer. So give me one more thing. Can I also make batches of employees? Like, because I transferred to first set of employee on first, there is another set of employees whom I transfer on fifth. So is there batches can be made?
Yes, sir. See, here, let me show you. Here we have option create new bank transfer. So here bank template. So here you can see, like suppose you will have two options here. We have one here like Citibank transfer, but you will have two, IndusInd and ICICI. You just need to select the bank for which bank you are generating it. Then here you can see there will be groups, like here all employees are there. Then Bangalore office, or like we can create groups here. Basically, batches which you are saying, that groups will be created.
Okay.
You just need to select the group for which group you want
Sure.
to generate.
So this is what I was looking for. No problem.
Yes.
Rest of the thing is very clear to me because I have seen this demo earlier also, like few years back. I did not onboard that time. You could see in your CRM that my name might be there.
There may be, sir. Okay.
Okay, but now tell me how much will be the pricing. Okay, and I need the full HR suite. That is what I am using in Keka.
Full HR suite as in sir like performance management and all.
Everything.
You are saying?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So here the demonstration line which I have shown here, that is the core module in our application. Performance management comes as an add-on module. Add-on pricing is there for that. Let me just tell you about the pricing is there. So here, as per your requirement, I will suggest you this growth track.
Correct.
So the per month cost is 5495 per month, which includes up to 50 employees. From 51st onwards, 65 rupees per additional employee per month is added. Here, if you want to go ahead with geo-tagging, like if you want to capture the location of employees, then that is an add-on feature which is 50 rupees per user per month. For the number of users you want, for them only it gets charged. Similarly, for performance management as well, it is for the number of users you want this, which is charged 35 rupees per user per month.
This is plus GST, right? 5495 plus GST.
Yes, GST is additional 18%.
Okay. And your expense is not included, expense management and everything.
Expense lane, yes, that is also an add-on module we have kept because not many companies require that. So there is no point of giving extra burden or to include it in the main pricing. So similarly, like this costs 15 rupees per employee per month. This is given as a module for all employees. So for the total number of employees, suppose 50 is there. So for all of them, it gets charged as per 15 rupees per employee.
But then again, the overall cost is becoming more higher than what Keka I am paying.
So including expense and performance management.
Yes, I am there, everything. I showed you, no? Keka I am using the whole suite. See, I don't need alumni portal, number one. Number two, I don't need vice.
That is add-on, sir. I am not offering you this as well.
No, I am saying you, I need whatever is there in enterprise edition, number one. Okay. But on the add-on, I don't need your alumni portal. I don't need Visage, and I don't need alumni portal and Visage. I don't need these two parts. But rest of the add-ons like expense management, performance management, recruit, and GeoMark Plus, that is I need along with enterprise edition, whatever is there. Because this is what I am using right now. Now, if I leave any of the features back, then my employees will not be happy.
I understand.
Because I am using something, I cannot declare from there.
Management, however, it is included in this enterprise plan. This enterprise expense management is included. Just recruitment, performance management, and this geo-tagging will be add-on. So, for all 50 users you want, right?
Yes.
For everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Any expenses budget you have in mind? You have already seen the pricing. So accordingly, I can discuss and share you the proposal.
You give me the proposal, I'll get back to you after discussing with my other director. Okay. Is that okay, Subham?
So shall I share this pricing itself then?
Yeah, you can share, no problem. I'll get back to you on that.
Not a problem. My number will be there, sir, in the mail which I'll be sharing. You can feel free to.
And you will do the data migration from Keka?
Yeah, from our end we will be doing it.
But what about tell me one thing, Shubham, what about the employees who have already resigned and I need their data to be on the database?
We can do this for current financial year, sir.
पुराना वाला क्या होगा फिर?
From April 2025 past data हम लोग नहीं करते सर एक्चुअली, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सर वैसा मतलब वो प्रोसेस नहीं है, मतलब टू कीप जस्ट एम्प्लॉय डेटा यू वांट, राइट? यू आर सेइंग कि सारा डेटा मतलब पेरोल वगैरह का
पेरोल वगैरह का फिर हाउ डज कंपनी मैनेज ऑल दोस थिंग्स? मुझे मान लीजिए 2 साल पहले का पेरोल का भी स्कूटनी में आ गया और मुझे देखना है, कैसे करेंगे फिर उसको?
वो डेटा तो सर आपका एक्सिस्टिंग से आप वो ऑब्वियसली एक्सपोर्ट करके ही रखेंगे ना, जब आप वो वाला छोड़ेंगे करेंट वाला आप सॉफ्टवेयर, सारा डेटा तो आप वहाँ से एक्सपोर्ट करके ही रखेंगे अपने पास।
मुझे तो ये पता
तो
नहीं।
वही डेटा आपके पास रहेगा, क्योंकि हर मतलब करंट फाइनेंशियल ईयर का हम करते हैं सो दैट सारा प्रोसेस इस फाइनेंशियल ईयर का रहे सॉफ्टवेयर में। एंड उससे पहले का अगर जस्ट एम्प्लॉय का डेटा है, आप तो एम्प्लॉय का डेटा यहाँ पे रखने रिजाइन एम्प्लॉय पास एम्प्लॉय का डेटा हम अपलोड कर सकते हैं।
पेरोल का नहीं रख पाएंगे
पेरोल
आप।
का, हाँ पेरोल का नहीं रहता क्योंकि पेरोल प्रोसेस करना पड़ता है, वो पेरोल का डेटा ऐसे ही यहाँ पे नहीं रहता है। पेरोल फिर हमको हर मंथ का प्रोसेस करना पड़ता है।
मैं समझ गया हूँ आपके बात। अच्छा, पेरोल टैक्सेस ये सब मिस हो जाएगा ना, पीएफ।
हाँ, तो इस फाइनेंशियल ईयर का हम हमारा टीम करके देंगे सारा डेटा माइग्रेशन ये वाला और ट्रेनिंग।
आपने पहले केका से माइग्रेट किया है डेटा?
डायरेक्टली माइग्रेट नहीं होता सर, एक्सेल में हम कलेक्ट करते हैं।
मैं समझ गया हूँ, बट हैव यू इज एनी ऑफ योर कस्टमर देयर फ्रॉम केका टू GreytHR?
हाँ सर, बहुत सारे कस्टमर किए हैं केका से हमारा इसमें।
अच्छा, एंड दे आर वर्किंग फाइन राइट नाउ।
राइट मोर देन सर केका से ज्यादा कस्टमर बड़ा कस्टमर बेस है हमारा। मोर देन 30,000 कस्टमर्स यूज कर रहे हैं आज के टाइम पे। एंड वी आर वेरी ओल्ड कंपनी दैट केका, लाइक we were established in 1994. At that time, like we were the first company in this market, like जो cloud based HRM is established here.
No, I know all those story. I have heard of GreytHR earlier also. Okay, where is your this GreytHR hosted? Microsoft, AWS?
AWS.
Huh?
AWS.
Okay, and we don't have to pay anything, right?
नहीं, जो ये प्राइसिंग है सर बस वही है, इसके एडिशनल कुछ नहीं है। मंथ और मंथ जो ये आपका ये प्राइसिंग है, इसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं।
And how does your price changes on year increments?
Year on year sir, वैसा there is no necessary like price will be changed. It depends on the like inflation rates and all. तो अगर कभी कुछ प्राइस चेंज भी होता है, मैक्सिमम अप टू 7.5% आपने फिक्स किया हुआ है, मैक्सिमम टू 7.5%, एंड उसके लिए भी आपको नोटिफाई किया जाएगा एटलीस्ट 3 मंथ्स पहले। ये सब मैं भेजता हूँ आपको।
ठीक है, आप भेजिए सुबह, आप भेजिए फिर हम लोग देखते हैं। नहीं देखिए, यहाँ पर 2-3 डिसीजन पॉइंट हो गया। ये तो पेरोल वाला चीज़ ये मुझे पूछना पड़ेगा, और केका से कैसे एक्सपोर्ट होकर मेरे पास रहेगा वो भी मुझे देखना पड़ेगा। इट शुड बी इन रीडेबल फॉर्मेट फॉर मी। एक्सेल में भी रहेगा तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट रीडेबल फॉर्मेट में होना चाहिए।
एक्सेल में आई थिंक होता है वहाँ से, हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर से भी जैसे बहुत जन पूछते हैं ये क्वेश्चन कि अगर जब छोड़ेंगे तो कैसे डेटा मतलब यहाँ से एक्सपोर्ट करेंगे, तो भाई एक्सेल और पीडीएफ में सारा डेटा यहाँ से एक्सपोर्ट होता है।
ठीक है, मैं समझ गया हूँ। आई हैव बीन विद केका फॉर ऑल दिस ईयर्स, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट जब से वो स्टार्ट हुआ है, आई वाज वन ऑफ देयर फर्स्ट 10 कस्टमर्स। हाँ, but now what has happened? Keka has become so big that they have stopped giving customer service properly. Okay. And their main core payroll is much cheaper than their add-ons. उसका performance management comes at I think 130 rupees or something. I'm paying right now because I need all those services. But my finance is not allowing me anymore. I'm in my finance department. They want me to migrate to other recurrings. Anyway, ठीक है. I told you the background. Now help me with the pricing so that we can go ahead and onboard ourselves on it. ठीक है? Thank you, Shubham.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye. So I just completed the meeting with GreytHR. It was a good presentation they have given. When you migrate from one application to other, there are a lot of data entries that needs to be taken care because all these data are statutory data, and we need to be very careful in migrating the data. What I heard from GreytHR is that they will not be migrating any of the payroll related data. They will only be migrating the data related to the users or the employees who have already left. Now the problem is that if we don't have this payroll related data, what can be the problem that we are facing? I am not sure my team may guide me properly. So what is the problem we can have?
For what?
GreytHR is saying that they will have all the employees migrated, old, new, current, everything. But
For the payroll, they will only migrate the current year, not the previous years. So that is one of the problem.
Migrating of the previous year, they will charge, but they will not.
They will not do it. So that is one of the problem. I need to take care of it. Price is one of the factor, but not a major factor here. GreytHR is equally a good application like Keka. I have been one of the very old customers of Keka, maybe in their first 100, 50s or 100, and I have been from 2027. Now problem is that Keka's core HR comes at say 5,000 rupees for 50 employees, but their add-ons comes at abnormally high price of 130 rupees per employees per month, which is becoming a restrictions for us to add few of the features in the current HRMS. My team was suggesting whether I should design and develop our own HRMS or not, as we have already done it and implemented for PSUs and other government departments. But then we should do it within ourselves. So these are all the decision points that I need to discuss with my team and then decide accordingly. Anything related to this has to be decided very fast. I cannot keep it pending for a long time. Whether I will be with Keka or GreytHR, move to GreytHR, or design our in-house application. All these decisions has to be taken very fast. Tough job for me. Let's see how I move. Anything I'll let you know. So as a CEO, I have to take all these kind of decisions on day-to-day basis. I'll get back to work now. Today we had a very excellent day and it's Friday, so we are closing for the day now. Unfortunately, tomorrow morning we have a meeting at 7:30 with the internal team for the project that we have visited today, Jute Corporation of India. The kickoff meeting was also quite good. We understood few of the things and the customer expectations from us and the project, so this was quite good. Now another part of the day was like we received many of our payments today, which was long pending from different customers. Overall a very good day. Tomorrow I am traveling to Durgapur for my personal work, and after the meeting, like in the morning hours, so I'll be traveling to Durgapur. That's all for the day. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs. Good night. Take care everyone, and please subscribe to my blog so that I can do more of these and show what exactly it goes for an entrepreneur like me to run a company. Thank you so much. Good night.